Impeachment Court spokesperson Attorney Reginald Tongol says the impeachment court's decision to remand the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte to the House of Representatives is not flawed. In an online interview on Friday, June 13, Tongol says the decision reached by senator judges to return the document to the lower chamber was an action of liberality. He says there is no impropriety in what transpired and it was normal for such to happen in a collegial judicial body.
So actually, this is an action of liberality by the impeachment court na instead of using the power to have it dismissed, hindi na gano'n na nangyari. So walang impropriety doon, no? It is a normal in a collegial judicial body na gano'n ang nangyayari because one of the powers, inherent powers of any court is to look into the face of the document, the complaint itself, and see if there are defects in that document.
Sitting as an impeachment court, the Senate returned the articles of impeachment against Duterte to the House, citing supposed constitutional infirmities. The House has certified it did not violate the Constitution when it impeached Duterte on February 5. The lower chamber also deferred acceptance of impeachment articles until questions raised by House prosecutors are clarified. In deferring its receipt of impeachment articles, a House prosecutor clarified they were not defying the impeachment court's order. During the online interview, Tongol says the Senate impeachment court has the power to issue a contempt order to any party that disrespects and defies the court. He says the impeachment court's rules allows for the presiding officer and the court itself to cite any disrespectful party from contempt. Despite this, Tongol says the impeachment court has no intention of holding any House member in contempt.
Any party na mag-disrespect sa korte has the power to, pwede silang ipakontempt ng korte, motu proprio o by a motion of any opposing party. At I think hindi rin balak naman ng impeachment court na contempt yung any person sa House dahil na rin, ayaw na rin naman natin makaaway naman yung House in terms of this matter. That's why the impeachment court is doing all its power para hindi magkaroon ng ganong mga banggaan o constitutional crisis na tinatawag.